Hi guys, my name is Philemon Hapto. Today I'm going to show you how to link the Google Ads and YouTube channel. Uh, this one is the main important because when you need to promote your YouTube channel, specifically videos or all your channel for best linking like subscription and other link. So you need to do that. It's by very, if you want to be cheap, and it depends on you how to link your ad or how to monetize your ad. So like first you have to have a Google Ads account, like this account. For example, this one is the AdSense Google AdSense account. So first, when we open this one, first you have to tools and setting, then set up, then link. If you have, for example, if you have a YouTube account, for example, I have one YouTube account. To promote this one, I'm going to copy that, copy, then cut up. Let's go to the YouTube. There is a bunch of that I already linked on my, then let's do, for example, this one. You have to do the name of the YouTube or the link you do. This one is my YouTube ad. If you am the owner to see, go to the owner channel, or if someone else, then you have to have the what we call his email or someone. This one is for other person channel. This one is for your YouTube channel. Then you have to go there. You have to link that. After that, this is coming again. You have to, when this is coming, this is already linked. If you don't want be link or unlink the channel, you have to click this one. That's it. It's very easy. And promote your channel. I'm gonna give you every day, like as soon as I can, how to use a YouTube link with ads and tutorial YouTube ads and others. Just follow my channel and subscribe or link my channel. Thank you.